Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. If you aren't new, hey, and make sure you guys hit the like button. So yeah, I am filming off my phone, so I'm gonna be like really quick with the instructions because your girl gotta edit on her phone. So anyway, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make the Starbucks inspired chai tea latte. So what you're gonna need is a cup, of course, filled with ice. Just like Starbucks do, girl. They give you all ice, no drink, okay? So in the cup, you want to get you a chai mix. The one that I prefer is the Trader Joe's Spice Chai Black Tea Concentrate. This one is bomb. I know a lot of people use the Taozo or whatever tea, and you could get that from like Target. But I've used that in the past, and it really wasn't all of that. So you just want to pour that into your cup, about like a half a cup of concentrate. Anywhere between like a third and a half a cup should be fine, depending on how strong you want your chai flavor. You're gonna need some vanilla. So I have the tortini, or however you call it. I normally, every time I get my chai tea latte, I always have them put 4 pumps of vanilla in it. But you can get as much as you want. And then I'm gonna put a little cane sugar, just a little, so maybe about like a pump or two of cane sugar. Then basically what you want to do is fill your cup the rest of the way with milk. So I'm gonna use half of almond milk and half whole milk. That's just my concoction, but you can do all whole milk, all almond milk. It's all up to you. Then what I do is I just pour it in a bigger cup so that I can mix it. I just pour it all in a bigger cup so I can mix them. Make sure you get that syrup on the bottom. Girl, it's really that simple. Okay. And you just pour your drink back into your cup. Taste it. Bomb. And you are done. Literally. That's how you make a Starbucks inspired chai tea latte. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, of course, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All the information will be down below. See ya.